Hello, are you okay? If you like pergolas, you will like this video today. I will show you amazing models of bamboo pergolas. The pergola is a structure formed by a system of modular beams. Among the most common materials are wood, steel, iron, concrete and bamboo. And the latter, by the way, is ideal for decorating an environment in a more rustic way, with a beachy feel. Because it is an item widely used in architecture, mainly to shade open spaces, the pergola in bamboo purposefully creates an unfinished effect. This particularity is due to its positioning side by side. Since it cannot completely seal the roof, thus forming an entrance space for natural lighting. And this model of pergola has a lower cost when compared to wood. A good supplier makes all the difference in the project because the quality of the roof is similar to traditional pergolas. Bamboo is a lightweight material, so it needs to be installed in a firm location where the floor is made of concrete or wood. The number of pillars follows the size of the structure. In the most common models, they need 4 pillars. If the area is large, a larger number of pillars is necessary to maintain its support. Among the cares to keep your pergola always in good condition, put a sealer to avoid cracks or varnish them to give a more beautiful appearance. And so if this topic interested you and caught your attention, leave your like in the video. Comment down here, which of these ideas did you like best? And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to receive our news every day. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so I can remind you whenever I post a new video, and here on the screen I am leaving other videos that I think you will like. I wait for you at our next meeting. A kiss, and until then.